Den. Den. AIFF.
All right, good morning, everybody. Got a little bit less than 2 minutes until the market opens up today. Let me just check real quick and make sure it looks like everything is working. All right, testing. Testing. All right, looks good. All right, good morning, good morning. It's Friday. We're heading into the weekend. It was a pretty slow day yesterday. Hopefully today will not be as bad, but the pre-market has not looked all that exciting so far. From what I've seen, I haven't been around that long. I had to reset the computer this morning. But hey, starting off better than yesterday. Yesterday I had no power almost all morning long up until 9 o'clock. It was 7 degrees in Maryland yesterday morning, so that was not exciting. But hopefully you can get at least a trade or two in for you today going into the weekend. And close out a green week. That's the goal for today. So good luck and thank you all for being here, whether you're watching now or later. Yo, Ponzi, where you been, bro? Good morning. A little bit less than a minute till open. Hiding under a rock, huh? Well, I'm glad to see you. Hope you're doing well. All right, market is open. Good luck, everybody. Looks like market rebounded pretty nicely yesterday into the close. Didn't even see that. 1K trade area. That was nice. Thank you.
EXP.
I enjoyed it. Utu. Big pop this morning. Did they have earnings or anything yesterday?
FUTU. CLEU. CLEU.
CLEU, I think, was a big mover yesterday. LUNR moving again this morning.
Mid.
We saw SES pop up there, nothing yet there.
CLEU.
Alright, LUNR. See if we can get up through like 2450 here.
KC. CLEU. Mid. LUNR. FUTU.
Tesla
EXK.
popping.
KC. CLEU. LUNR. FUTU. EXK. KC. Mid. CLEU. FUTU. LUNR. KC. Mid. LUNR. CLEU.
Let's
KC.
pop here on Tesla.
BORR. Mid.
RKLB moving a little bit. LUNR now only 25 after that stall there at 2450.
BOSE.
See if we can get up through 25 here quickly, LUNR.
LUNR. Nova. KC.
2480.
Mid. BORR. LUNR. Nova.
Tesla coming straight back down. Even
BOSE.
stronger than it went up.
BORR. Mid. LUNR.
Look at this move in Tesla coming down.
CLEU. Nova. Mid. SEDG. BOSE.
See if it gets under 411.
LUNR. Bion. BOSE. Mid. Nova. CLEU. FPH. LUNR. Serve. Nova. LUNR.
Got down to 411.71 there.
FPH. BOSE. Serve. SMLR. Mid. LUNR. ACHR. Bion. FPH. BOSE. Serve. RNA.
Serve is moving. This one generally has buying power restrictions on it.
ACHR.
Only 15k available, so that's going to be an avoid.
Serve. Nova. FPH. Bion. HIMX. BOSE. Bion up. NVTS. ACHR. BKSY. RNAZ. NVTS. Bion. HIMX. BOSE. Mid. HIMX. Bion. RNAZ. Mid.
Tesla under 411 could have been nice. Didn't quite get there for me.
HIMX. Bion. RNAZ. NVTS. LUNRW. HIMX.
Just missed
NVTS.
LUNR.
RNAZ. HIMX. NVTS. HIMX.
NVTS is kind of slow on the volume.
HIMX.
HIMX, I think I'm going to mute this one. I haven't
NVTS.
liked how this one's been trading recently.
AMTX. NVTS. BKSY.
Oh, LUNR. Dang. I
AMTX.
was so close to getting that one.
CONL. BKSY. NVTS. AMTX. HIMX some ad. Swing for me. BKSY. AMTX.
Oh, you got LUNR? Nice. That's a beautiful move for you. A point there, basically. Yeah, you got a point there. Nice. Hopefully it keeps fading off. Nice grab. Wish I was with you.
AMTX. LUNR make a nice day. Thanks.
Looks like B also got LUNR.
Den.
Look at her go.
AMTX.
Dang. ABAT, little move here. Big down move recently, though.
AMTX. AMTX.
ALLR moving. Range isn't great. Therapeutical stock. Only 8K available anyway. So that's going to be an avoid.
MVST.
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 Plenty of shares.
LR8K. Pass.
No buying power issues. See if this thing can push up a bit higher here.
MVST. Den.
Dan, I'm going to mute. I don't like that one today.
MVST plenty. Daily SHT. EVAX. 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 EVAX.
LUNR coming back up here.
EVAX.
You take the last third off there, or you still in?
EVAX. EVAX.
Took it off. Nice win. Good job. I probably should have been there with you. Maybe got a little greedy on the entry.
Dan plenty. Big comp. Watching. EVAX. EVAX.
EVAX, no. Mute that. Tesla popping again.
Post. LTBR. Swing. Some dollar on way. More to go. Post. Post.
All right, the initial rush is over. Let's see what I can find my way into now. Definitely missed that LUNR trade there with Ponzi.
Post. Post. Post.
Alright, good luck, brother. Thanks for stopping by. Good to see you. Glad you're alive and doing well.
Post.
OST has no shares available either. Mute that. INQ fallen.
Dan miss. Dan.
Market moving higher here. See if that can bring some poppers out of the woodwork.
FPH.
PH, this looks like earnings up 31% today.
FPH.
KLA, what happened to you? You're at 95 cents? Just a year and a half ago, you were $50. What happened? That's crazy.
FFIE plenty.
FFIE, huh? I know this one was a big mover for a while back in the day. Does it have buying power restrictions on it because of all that? Yes. Oh, yeah.
BP.
All right, market popping and breaking out some here. It's LUNR up to new highs now. Maybe you can give a secondary move.
FPH. BKSY.
Order cancelled.
Just checking buying power on these.
BKSY. PRFX. BKSY. PRFX. BKSY. PRFX. PRFX. BKSY. PRFX. BKSY. PRFX. BKSY. PRFX. PRFX. PRFX.
PRFX, I'm going to be muting you. Doesn't look like you're actually in play today.
FPH.
Same thing with you, FPH. Well, things have slowed down quite quickly this morning, which isn't a great sign. Not that they were ever all that quick. Watching the little bit of pre-market that I did watch. Q's continuing higher here. VST, maybe you can put in a secondary move here. Up through 220. Still got a ways to go for that. Need some more volume to come in. What was the high? 216 previous high on MVST. All right, it's pushing the highs. Can it break through? Maybe give some kind of FOMO momentum pop through the highs at 216. I wouldn't be interested at least until 225 though. And it's got to be on the right kind of move. All right, it's through the highs. Now can it get the continue? And immediately said no. Immediately he's like, nah, bro, you don't belong up here. You guys don't get to see it when it's just the recap videos, but this is how a lot of my morning is. Just waiting for the one that actually makes the move. Talking about it and then saying, oh, no. Mr. Bradley, what's going on, brother? How are you?
Big comp, 700K, B/G.
All is good here on this end. Good to see you. Got some OGs popping back in today. I like it. Tesla's starting to get a little perky again. Really wish I would have made that move under 411 earlier. That would have been a beautiful long. EVTL not interested. Big down day yesterday. Be 1 second. Be right back. Just heard the girlfriend get home.
EVTL. EVTL.
Yeah, that's the one I'm avoiding. I might as well just mute that because I know I'm not playing it. Yeah. I'm gonna see if she can just put it on the wall behind it, and then I'll just fish the line for the
DDD.
Like put it lower into the wall, you mean, and you have to fish a hole to go down?
I mean, like on the other side in the toilet part of the bathroom. And then, because I can just run the same wire and just out the back and plug it in.
Okay. Whatever works.
DDD, near 4 might be okay if it gets there. Plenty. Went 344k, up in BG.
Int. Look at you. I assume no buying power issues here. Definitely not. Definitely need into the 30 senses here. Can he get through 30 and make a little move? All right, here comes 30.
SMX.
Is he going to pop through? SMX. Security matters. Don't love
SMX.
that daily chart. Might just be muting that one, honestly. He's back. Great news. You didn't miss a thing here. Well, I guess that's not great news, but it is news. That's no fun. There's been some stuff ripping through pretty much all of us. I had a fever just after Christmas for like 7 days straight, on and off. It was crazy.
BKSY.
BKSY is just weird volume and
We've
movement in it.
100k shares already. Watch those.
All right, Ponzi. Good to see you, man. Thanks for stopping by. Hope the little one gets better soon. Be one of those days, it looks like, if the opportunity presents itself, gonna have to not miss it. Might not get
SMX and TB.
that many chances. Good morning, Brandon. I cannot echo that sentiment, unfortunately. My team is sadly gone on a dropped 2-point conversion that I still have nightmares about every night. All right, Wint, can you get the bigger pop here? Looking for a silly move, not just like a penny or two. Ooh, a little bit of a dropsy going on here in the market in Tesla. Assume some of the bigger ones as well.
Wint 170k.
Wint shares are dropping rapidly, but it's not really making the move anyway. What time is it? 10? Is somebody talking? Somebody saying dumb things right now? ABVE getting a little poppy. Very light volume. 17k available. That's a negative.
SLNH. SLNH.
Would like just one here, market. Maybe I need a coffee re-up. Maybe that'll help. All right. Well, the windfall came, just couldn't quite get up to where I wanted it. Just one is all we need. Let me check in on Tim, see how he's doing today.
Hey, you won the last race.
Small day for him too. Well, small, bigger than nothing, I guess. SOUN. Maybe if it gets a bigger pop. Check the shares real quick. I think it's been fine. 94K is actually a little less than I thought it would be. Check the buying power. It's fine.
MBOT.
GDT. This has been fine all week to trade. Ooh, a little bit of restriction there. Not too much though. So I can still go 2 if I want. So we can pop up towards 230 quickly. Keep my eye on sound as well. All right, MBOT, can you give me a pop through the 220s?
MBOT. MBOT moving.
We already own it, David. We already own it. Don't have a lot of high hopes that's going to get to where I need it to be, but we own it. Man, it is quiet today. MVST may be trying here again sometime soon. Well, there was the 220 pop and it did nothing. TSLA getting a little perky again. NBIS hard to borrow. No shares available. Decent little move it's putting in too. Lucky me. Lucky me. Now you're gonna confuse her. She don't have a sense of humor.
Sorry, what?
Now you're gonna confuse her. You know she don't got no sense of humor. Man, oh man, things are slow. Ugh. Just need one move. Oh, IonQ, do you have shares today? You do. Can you get above 44? This one's been like hit or miss all week on if it had shares or not in IB. GOEV, no shares available. Nice pop there, GOEV. No shares available, though.
KOPN plenty, B/G, Daily Plus.
Order cancelled.
KOPN, I would need to pop up towards like 210 if it can get through 2 here. Buying power does not appear to be an issue. They tell me shares are good. Shares are good. Over 1 million available. So if this gave a nice pop through 2, could be interested here in KOPN.
MMANTB.
Move that I can actually trade. Caveat, market has to be something I can actually trade. Sorry if I did not make that clear at the open today. KOPN, can you give me a nice pop through 2? I doubt it, but I'm watching. Trying. Can it go? Looks like about 205 was its high yesterday on the pop. So maybe see some action if it gets up through 205.
ARBE plenty.
Order cancelled.
B does have plenty.
RR.
Order cancelled.
RR also getting a little perky.
RR. RR. RR.
See if RR can put a bigger push in here.
RR. ARBE.
So watching them both.
RR. RR.
Are kind of slowly moving. Our cat with a little pop here. Check the shares. 85K.
RCAT.
Order cancelled.
Just nothing able to put in that extra little leg today. Makes an initial move and then just chills. Only 10:30. Wow, it feels like I've been sitting here for 2 hours, not 1 hour. That's how slow it's been. Art getting a little pop here.
Cart Von.
Can't make any more of a move. Maple Bear Inc. Never heard of it. Once again, made the initial pop, but couldn't give the continuation.
RZLV.
RZLV. RZLV.
RZLV.
Plenty of shares. What about buying power? Plenty of buying power.
RZLV. RZLV. 0. Zero. RZLV. 0. RZLV. 0. RZLV. 0.
Well. Ugh.
0. 0. Oust.
House, your volume is pretty crappy.
Oust. KOPN.
AOPN, I would need to move up through the 220s quickly. Who knows, maybe if it can pop through 210, it can make a run, but we'll see.
KOPN.
Not overly optimistic in that. What's up, Paul? Timothy, that it is. It is brutally slow. I'm working on almost zero sleep, so this is tough. Like just a few minutes ago, I was thinking it was almost noon already, but it's not even 11 yet. All right, I'm gonna run to the restroom. I will be right back. Doesn't look like I missed anything. Whoa, KOPN, look at that little move. Would have been nice if you let me get in first. Pete Carroll, new head coach of the Raiders. Man is like 80. Interesting move. How old is he? Let me look. 73. Something move. Coin ETF. I don't want to trade that. Yeah, that's a pretty good analogy. Hard to sail when there's no wind. We just need like a gust. Just a gust. That's all I need. Maybe even another boat comes by and sends like a wave through. That'd be fine. Up game the system. Yeah, I mean it depends on the day. Some days there's a million plays available and I can be done by like 10:30 if I wanted. Other days I gotta sit around and wait. Today is one of those sit around and wait days for sure. Maybe one or two I could have gotten at the open today. What was the one? LU and R. LU and R I was very close to getting on the open on this initial pop and drop. Ponzi actually took it, who was in the stream with us earlier. So that's probably the one that I could say I missed. But is what it is. Yesterday was a wait day too. I didn't get eBay yesterday until like 1 o'clock, 1:30, something like that. I slept in, been very red Friday for more than a month trying to break the trend. There you go. Well, if you green the rest of the week, that'll make for a good weekend. I'm green on the week overall, nothing crazy. What am I this week? I don't even know. I know I had a red day Tuesday, but I made all that back. On the month, I'm at 2,500. The week, I'm at, very small week, 335 this week. Last week was very good, 1,900 last week. Thanks, man. Appreciate you stopping by. Days are easier when I'm not so dang tired, but I'm so smoked. It's been a long week. I'm on overnights right now at my day job. It's catching up to me. And then when I was supposed to be sleeping this week, we got hit with a power outage. Kids were late to school because of a flurry. It's been rough for the old sleep this week. Hey, Brian Villanueva. Don't know if you're actually here, but thanks for the sub. You're a young man. I'm not as young as I may look. I'm pushing 40. I know I got a baby face though. Okay, you got me there. You got me there. 72 and you barely sleep? That's interesting. I would think it would be the opposite. Is it just a choice you make or you just can't sleep?
Order cancelled.
Laying in bed awake mostly, doze off for 3 hours? That doesn't sound fun at all. Kit, maybe if you can get moving here. Definitely need a pop through the 220s. Kind of see what it looks like from there and how it does it, if it does it. Daily chart isn't super.
WWR up in BG, might get a pop.
WWR. Laying in bed awake mostly, doze up for 3 hours, turn on TV at 4 a.m. and watch CNBC. What is CNBC talking about at 4 a.m.? Is it reruns? They're not live then, are they? Ah, European markets. Gotcha. I used to watch CNBC a lot more when I first started getting into trading and everything, but now I rarely ever watch it. Still looking for more things that I want to invest in right now in my Roth IRA little account that I started. I bought yesterday. I bought a AMD call for a year out for January of next year. I bought an AMD call, so we'll see how that goes. I've never done an option play for that like long before.
GNLX.
Yeah, that's my plan once I grow the account a bit more and I can get, some decent size into things where I actually have 100 shares of whatever stock it may be. I love selling covered calls. It's like free money. What's up, that dude? Unfortunately, I got nothing running today yet. It's been a slow one. Oh, you traded FFIE. Nice. That one's never really available or margin non-restricted for me. I did see it this morning moving. Congrats on the 2K. That's nice for a Friday. HYZN. I'm in a big down day today, down 15% currently. So you running those low float pumpers up? Is that what you do? I will add a put to the CC to guard against catastrophic events, but it's pretty stress-free and easy to make. Yeah. Yeah, you get in on those big drop days. I like to do that in my Roth. I like to buy things on those big down days, especially after like earnings or something. If earnings come out and it's like good, but it drops because they already factored in the news or whatever. I like to do those grabs. I bought more of Verizon. They actually had earnings this morning, but I bought it back on the drop like 2 weeks ago on the 10th. I bought some more of that. One of my longer term plays there. Well, 10% gain a day is a hell of a return. I think everyone would take that. I would, for sure. KITT trying. Gonna need more than that, though. Yeah, I've been there, done that. For sure, we all have at some point. Just want one. I don't even care if it's a small one. Just give me something for the stream, something to go into the weekend. That's all I'm asking for here, market. I know it's a lot today, honestly. Let's start a riot. CID. I was just looking at what was it this morning that I couldn't believe where it was. Oh, NKLA. That thing was at like $50 a year and a half ago, and it's sub $1 now. That's crazy. That's crazy. I remember when NKLA was just going nuts, and now it is sub $1. Yeah, I see what you're talking about, that 140-ish line there. Big down day again yesterday, though. What's that, another 30% down yesterday? Jeesh. Tesla's barely moved. Something is wrong. I don't know. Tesla's kind of in a class of its own compared to the others. Next week, you think a lot will run, getting your positions now? Nice. I'm just hoping AMD runs before next January. Oh, AMD actually popping right now. As soon as I pulled it up, it's going through a little pop. Nancy Pelosi's in. It must be good, right? Hey, I'm up 4% on my year-out AMD call so far. Hooray. Most cryptos are in the green right now. Yeah, crypto went nuts last couple months, huh? And then there was all that Trump coin, and man, I think that came out overnight when I was sleeping or something, but I never saw it until the next day. And I was like, wow, that would have been a crazy opportunity if you were like locked in like that and paying attention to every little release, and could have been nuts. I only own. What do I own? I've owned some SHIB forever. Shiba. I've owned like, I don't know, 3 million Shibas forever. Probably gonna never do anything. Too saturated. I honestly forget that I have it half the time. Every once in a while I'll see crypto pop and I'm like, oh, what's that one coin I have doing? It is down. Well, I mean, it's up pretty high. It'll probably go through a pullback at some point. Especially with all these meme coins that have been coming out and people getting rug pulled, there may be a like a hesitation that comes into the market of people willing to buy more crypto. Maybe people that are new, you won't see all that like influx of new money because they got screwed on the rug pulls on the Hawk coin or whatever it may be. But I am definitely no crypto expert, so I got no idea.
GNLX.
Trump crypto plans have Wall Street CEOs ready to jump into digital assets. Well, I saw Trump. That's like the fastest anything like that's got picked up. It went on to what?
GNLX.
I think it went on to Coinbase like immediately, or Robinhood, or one of them.
GNLX.
My question is, what is his plan for that? Right? Because he obviously has some kind of plan. Everyone's just like, oh, the president's rug pulling us. But I think there's some kind of plan behind it. But I don't know what it is. PGY moving.
GNLX. PGY.
Plenty of shares. Check the buying power. Good.
GNLX.
The question is, did I miss it while checking all of that?
GNLX.
Hush, GNLX. Not trading you today.
PGY some Vaughn, up.
And I was like one candle, 1.5 candles of volume there in PGY, and then it's immediately shut back down. Speaking of Trump, DJT just broke through the highs. Getting close to the end of my morning, though. I've got to go around lunchtime. Got some things to do Before I go to sleep, hopefully.
DDD got a fill there, dang. Took 3 cents on that bad boy.
I'm waiting on Doge to run to $1. I think Doge has a good chance. Been holding it since 4 cents. Dang. That's nice. Wait. You have 5 million Doge since 4 cents? What is it at? Hold on. 6 cents? No. 30. I'm doing maths in my head. I can't do it. I need a calculator. Hold on. Sheesh. Just give me, let me get like a hundred racks. just let me get like 100 racks, bro. You don't need those. Be alright. You'll get that back in like a day. Oh, congrats, man. That's awesome. That is awesome. What the hell are you doing watching my stream? That's the question. Yeah, I wouldn't be working either. Damn. Man over here with 5 million Doge coins. I don't even own a car. Life is funny. Cannot complain though. It's all levels to everything. There's a million people who would rather be in my spot too. You're in GME too? What's his name came back the other day? Or yesterday, the day before? Roaring Kitty? I saw he posted some video or GIF or something. Like The Simpsons or... Something along those lines. Yeah, that's the plan. Takes money to make money, right? So that's what I'm trying to do here. Grow the account. Take out as little as I have to, but I do have to take money out sometimes for things. Life be expensive these days. Hey, look, there's LCID popping up on the scanner. Yeah, for most people, it is hard to get to that 25K point. I did it a very non-conventional way. And technically a way you're not really supposed to, but did it anyway. Yeah, I've not owned a car in 5 years at least, maybe more. Nope, I took out a personal loan with a ridiculous interest rate. Actually, I did that when I first started, way back in the day. Made enough money, paid that off. Then when I went through my life changes and had to restart, I did it again. Recently paid that off this summer. So now I'm out of that again and moving forward. Yeah, that was my that was part of it too. I was like, I'm either gonna take this loan and buy a car, or I'm gonna take this loan and trade again. And I chose trading.
0. 0.
10K available. Yep, I paid it off, the whole thing off this past summer. I had it for about a year and a half. I got it paid off. What's up? 7. Story of your life, sucker for high risk. No risk, no reward, right? Ad is moving a little bit. Plenty of shares, but there is some buying power restriction. Ooh. A lot of buying power restriction, actually, so I won't be trading that. The interest rate was crazy, though. It was like 17.8. It was gross. It was gross. So my account has pretty much stayed at the same starting level because every time I've made money, I've just been taking it out and paying off that. I was taking it out, paying off that loan, taking it out, paying off that loan. Four years ago, I got a line of credit of 100K at 6.5% where I maxed it out. My payment was only $752 monthly. That really helped me out. I bought Nvidia just knowing it'll go up one day. SEC revokes unpopular banking rule that blocked Wall Street banks from adopting crypto. Nice. Very nice, that dude. Yeah, I think Trump's going head on into crypto acceptance. So, should be interesting. Oh, I see your HYZN making a little move.
Add up. Some BP.
$0.90 is your target. I bought into a Bitcoin fund 10 years ago through Max Kaiser. I had no idea what happened to it, but Max is very rich today. Oh, dang, look at that little pop. 74. I'm rooting for you. Mr. Dupree Rich, hello. What's up with Nvidia? Not much. It's just down 1.4% after a nice pop the last few days, still hanging in towards all-time highs. I would say it's not doing a whole hell of a lot. Nancy Pelosi disclosed another big call position in it not too long ago. Well, Inauguration Day, maybe? I think she disclosed it. Possibly. AMD has already been making a move back up. NVIDIA, a lot of times those two do the same thing, but they do not look the same today. Only got a little bit of time left here, gents. Definitely a disappointing day for how I'd like to trade, but it seems like y'all have done pretty well overall, so glad to hear that. All right, Timothy, appreciate you being here, man. Have a good weekend. Get some sleep. RVSN.
Order
One
cancelled.
T. And break through $1. Daily chart is not super great, but only thing really with any potential currently.
Ad will be lunch if anything. RVSN watching, daily POO. MBIO.
Well, not looking good here. ALUR, I did see it. It was hard to borrow in IB. Couldn't trade it. But yeah, I saw that huge pre-market move before I opened the stream today. How you doing, Yusuf? The only one I actually really missed today was LUNR out of the opening gate. This big pop here in the morning. Missed that one. That would have been a nice win.
LTRN.
Other than that, hasn't been a whole lot. LTRN. Maybe super small
LTRN.
size. Because it's flirting with the halt already.
Add out B/E. LTRN. LTRN.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
LTRN.
I'm about to be out of here myself.
LTRN. 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 LTRN.
No trades, Adley. I missed LUNR on the opening pop this morning. Other than
LTRN.
that, there has not been a whole lot doing nothing. Been a quite boring day.
LTRN. LTRN. Done.
DYN popping. Terrible daily chart.
LTRN. Done.
There's definitely been some things moving. A lot of things that I haven't been able to trade today because of hard to borrow or buying power restrictions or etc. etc. But LUNR was the only one I was really close to getting.
Done. Done.
I'm good. I'm good. Tired. Very tired right now, but it's been a good start to the year trading wise, so can't complain. Yep. Well, gents, it's coming up on that noon o'clock hour, which means I gotta be getting out of here. So, disappointing day. Sorry I couldn't get any trades on stream for y'all today. Maybe we'll run it back one day next week. I think I'm here 4 out of 5 days next week. I think maybe just now. Let me look at my schedule actually. I think maybe next Friday I'm not here. Next Thursday and Friday I'm not here. So just Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday for me next week, and that'll be the end of January. Dang, that came up quickly. So 3 days left in my trading month. Other than that, pretty boring day. So feel bad about it, but ain't nothing I can really do about it either. Appreciate y'all being here. NFUP Spike. NFUP. NFUP. Don't know what that is. Let's go with that, dude. I'll be waiting for that 100 bands. Link down in the description. Monthly review? I don't know. Maybe. Honestly, people weren't really watching them. Yep, definitely a spike there. Hard to borrow here. Surprisingly, people were not really watching them. the monthly reviews when I did them. Even when I did the yearly review, it didn't get that many views. So I don't know. We'll see. I'm up 2,500 on the month right now, if you want to know. That's where I'm at. So hopefully just going to add a little bit to that next week. Maybe get up over 3K. And move on to February. SOBR. You are right on SOBR. 200K available. Some buying power restrictions. Yep, buying power restrictions in IB on this one. $1 stock. I can't even take 6,000 shares, so won't be able to trade that one either. Good catch though. Yep, that's it for me, everybody. Appreciate y'all being here. This was our most active stream that I've had in quite some time, so if they keep being like that, maybe I'll do some more. Hope y'all have a great weekend, and I will see you later.